Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is a part of a video hub to celebrate Trinity Stamps' latest release. I decided to go ahead and use some of the new basic emoji builder die set and the sick and tired emoji builder add-on. And to use this, I am using the circle base die that has been out for quite some time. It's the one you can see on screen, the one I showed you in the beginning. I cut all of my pieces of canvas. So now we just have the fun part of assembling all of the dies together. And I started off by taking some ink to the outer edge of my already yellow cardstock here. I just wanted to create some more dimension to my little cute face here, my emoji. So I did the same thing. You can see I had my stick one and my love emoji to the side. I just picked two of the emojis that stood out the most to me. You can really create a ton of them. You can look at the packaging and see which dies comes in which set, and you can also create a ton out of them, and you can see you have a huge variety between these two sets, but you need a base set, I would say, to create this one. And I also used a circle die for the face itself, so I didn't build it on the base itself. You could absolutely do that if you like, but I decided to go ahead and to use some yellow cardstock that I just cut separately. I thought that was easier. I could have that die set also linked down below for you. It's one from Trinity. There is a ton of them in that die set, so you can definitely find a size that fits your project if you are using that one. Then I took the time. You can see I fiddled around a lot with this adhesive tape. I just wanted dimension for all of my parts here. So for the eyebrows, the mouth, the eyes, yeah, you can see all of them. So it took me some time. You definitely can do this a little bit easier and just glue them to your project, but I love dimension, and this was quite a simple project for me. So I wanted them to have that love by taking the time and really creating a nice dimension on them so that they have some personality. And this is the thermometer. I don't know how you pronounce that in English, but I am using some black cardstock for the measurements here, and some red cardstock and some white cardstock. I actually looked at the packaging to get some inspiration. You can definitely do that, or come up with another color combination that you like. The mouth here is also gonna fit together with it really nicely, so I needed to have all my other elements for the face already attached before I can go ahead and decide where my thermometer was going to go. And the eyes and then the eyebrows is upside down for this one. Super cute. I love all the personality you can create with these. You probably couldn't come up with your own emoji by just using some of the features in this die set. It's so much fun. I haven't seen anything like it, and I had a blast creating this. Immediately when I saw this, I saw that this was the one I was going to create the first with, because I think it's just stinking cute. And here is the card base itself. We have two round circles. We can go ahead and attach our faces on top of them. It will leave some white border. I just like that. It really makes it look like a card, and also help our face to be grounded a little bit. I just like it. I don't know why, but you can do it with the die that cuts the base, of course, as well. But I did it this way. I thought it was easier. And for my sentiment, I actually decided to go ahead and use the Simply Sentimental Sympathy. I believe this is a newer set. It's actually released this month, I think, with this one. And then I also used some older sets. This is Simple Sentimental Love, and I thought it would fit nicely with the other one. And I used some white pigment ink and then covered it with a white embossing powder to make it stand out. And for my little guy that is sick, I was thinking of you, thinking of you is the sentiment, and I just placed it down there. It looks like a beard or something. I don't know, I just didn't find a perfect spot for it. I am not 100% satisfied with it being there, but it's okay. For my love, I was a little bit more happy with how I placed my sentiment. You can see I have all my love in the heart, so super cute. You can see how they turn out, and I think this would be super cute to gift to someone as a set if you created a couple of more. And I thought I could also decorate the inside and also use a white gel marker to give them some more highlights. So I did that. I used my white pen and just went around the eyes and ears, and I actually didn't do the eyes because I did it on one of them and I didn't like it, so I took it away. But it needed something more, and it got some rosy cheek, just some leftover colors that I had in my brush. So cute, and I tried to get it underneath. If I had known, I would have done it before, of course. So I said I would finish my project off with something on the inside. I am really bad at doing that, so I'm happy that I actually decided to do it for this project. So sympathy, I believe I am stamping here. It's from that new Simply Sentimentals. And on the top of it, I actually have to stamp up a couple of times. My ink pad is quite dry, so I need to re-ink it. And then I will have with on top of it. So I stamped that separately just to make sure I had a good impression of that one. But now you can see I actually switched ink pads just to get a good impression. So there we go with sympathy. And then we can do the same thing with our other card. But of course I went back to that Simply Sentimental Love that I used for the front of my card, and I tried my best to line this up and be able to stamp them in one go, and I think it turned out okay. Sorry about the glare from my light there in the misty. I have some lighting over my workspace just to get a little bit better of lighting in my videos. Sometimes it's not that helpful. So here you go, you can see a closer look at my cards. You have plenty of room to write your message to your recipient, and yeah, these were so much fun to create. This video is a part of a video hop to celebrate this video, as I said, so I will have links down below for the next person in line, and you have a chance to win some amazing prizes from Trinity, so go check them out. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye!